Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing two popular trading bots in the world of meme coins, Trojanbot and Bonkbot. So both bots offer distinct features, but which one is better for trading 100x meme coin? We will break down their features, ease of use, security and performance. But before I start this video, please note that trading meme coins and using trading bots comes with inherent risk. So this video is for informational purposes only and I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. Now the Trojan bot and Bonk bot are automated trading bots that is designed to trade on Solana blockchain. They both aim to provide users with efficient trading, especially with dealing with volatile meme coins that can potentially yield high returns. So let's start by highlighting their main characteristics and comparing them side by side. In order to serve this purpose, I have also created this table for you for better understanding. So as you can see that first we talk about the platform. So both the Trojan bot and the Bonk bot are based on the Telegram bot. Next, if we talk about the user interface, so the Trojan bot's user interface is quite simple and intuitive, whereas for Bonk bot, the interface is quite beginner friendly with enhanced visuals. If we talk about the performance speed, so with the Trojan bot, it offers backup boards to reduce the lag during high loads, whereas in Bonk bot, you will have the high speed transactions and fewer backup options. If we talk about the security, in Trojan bot, you will get advanced security with renounced coins filter, whereas in Bonk bot, you will get basic security that is suitable for experienced users. If we talk about the customization features, in the Trojan bot, you will get multiple copy trade settings and blacklist option as well. For Bonk bot, you will have limited customization option for copy trading. If we talk about the fee structure, with the Trojan bot, you will get the transparent fee structure with 10% fee discount link available. Similar fee structure, no promotional discount available with Bonk bot. If we talk about the ease of setup, Trojan bot has quick setup, clear instructions provided on their bot. If we talk about the Bonk bot, it is relatively easy but may need more guidance. So these were some of the features that you need to consider in mind before choosing between Trojan bot and Bonk bot. Now both the bots can handle meme coin trading, but here is how they stack up in practical scenarios. Trojan bot is ideal for those who value security and want more control over their trades. The additional safety settings help minimize risk when trading highly volatile meme coins. You can choose Bonkbot. Bonkbot is suitable for experienced users who prioritize speed and are comfortable with less guidance and fewer built-in safeguards. So, in a nutshell, which bot is better for trading 100x meme coins? Well, it actually depends on your own priorities. You can choose Trojan bot if you want advanced security features and more customizable settings, or you can opt for Bonk bot if you prefer a faster, more straightforward trading experience and are confident in managing risks independently. Both bots offer unique advantages, so understanding your trading style and risk tolerance is the key to making the best choice. In case you want to check that out, I will put the link of them down in the description, so do check that out as well. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.